Here we are from the left rear. We have the mount. I just need to put the cross member in here yet, but this is the heavy duty 10-speed. Got NOS cab mounts front and rear. Even found ones for the grill assembly. It's all painted underneath. The other side, use the 2023 F250 engine mounts. We'll have to make a box for the air cleaner, but it's kind of about where it fits under the hood. Fits in a little close in there, but finger width everywhere. Quick update on 66N crew cab ex-railroad truck. Here we are installing the 7.3 and the 10R140. It's mounted in place. Just starting to do the wiring. Also doing the fitting the King Ranch interior. Radiator, we got the condenser, fan, all the accessories are in. Lower hose, upper hose. I have the new throttle body, airflow meter, mass airflow. Just need to make the radiator mounts.